97 feet designed for one thing, staying out longer. The Azimut Magellano 30 is not built for the sprint. It is built for the kind of passage where you wake up somewhere different every morning. Ken Freivach drew the exterior. There is a reason it looks like it belongs offshore. The dual-mode hull under the waterline is the part you will not see, but you will feel it. This boat adapts to the sea state you are in. You do not have to. 16 to 18 knots sustained. Not a sprint number, a passage number. The kind of speed that gets you past the inlet before the afternoon weather builds. The hull is optimized for this, which means you are not burning fuel fighting a form that wants to go slower. Sole-to-ceiling windows on the main deck put the water on every side. The foredeck has room to spread out. The beach club opens at the stern. 97 feet of outdoor living built to get you somewhere most people never reach. 4 things that change how you use this boat. The dual-mode hull for long ocean runs. Sole-to-ceiling windows that keep you connected to the water, even when you are inside. 5 staterooms, so the whole passage crew is comfortable. And 20% more range per fuel stop. That is the anchorage most people motor past. 3 days offshore. Making landfall at first light. Yacht-teak interiors, fitted the inside to live in, not look at. This is a boat for people who want to get somewhere and stay there long enough that it matters. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.